Good afternoon. Edward Michael. I am the Kids Mental Health Washington Administrator. This program was formerly the Youth Behavioral Health Navigator program. Next slide. The goals of the Kids Mental Health program consist of having regional teams that can support children, youth, and families within their own communities, develop an effective access point or portal for anyone concerned about a child or youth to reach out for support. These teams are composed of diverse regional-based experts capable of identifying community-based partners with resources and prioritizing the needs of children and youth needing intensive services. Next slide. In the 2021 legislative session, lawmakers funded the existing Kids Mental Health Pierce County program and funded them to provide technical assistance for the rollout of the Kids Mental Health Washington program across the state. In that year, there was funding for 3 additional regional coverage, which consisted of Salish, Greater Columbia, and Southwest. The Behavioral Health Administrative Service organizations were identified to roll out the implementation and were offered the opportunity to self-select the implementation order, selecting which year they would stand up their team. The second year, which started in July of this year, North Central, Spokane, and Great Rivers came on board. And then, as you see in the purple asterisk, Thurston Mason, they were slated to come on board in the 3rd year. However, due to ARPA funds that came available, Thurston Mason region stepped up and agreed to be part of the implementation for this year with those ARPA funds, and then they'll switch to state funds in the next year once state funding becomes available. Additional ARPA dollars are going to year 1 regions to explore and pilot multi-county implementation, and as well as to be used to support web design and the startup of the Kids Mental Health Washington for upcoming regions. Additional funding was used to support the amazing work of our TA team and continue to meet the multiple regions and hold learning collaboratives for all the regions that come together on a monthly basis. And then year 3, King and North Sound will join the implementation. And we're happy to say that current conversations have been underway with King County, and we're looking forward to next year as well. And that concludes my presentation. Jennifer.